construction, release, and verification is the way to go. So, the great triangular flag. What the heck? What the actual heck? What the heck? We have a next level here on the Impossible game. Oh man, I'm done. So just a bit of a disclaimer, this video is kind of a joke, but it's not taken seriously. So the Great will show you guys how to make an Extreme Demon on Geometry Dash. If you could consider giving me a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. So, might as well get started. Yo, what's up guys, AimThatGamer here. Today I'm going to be creating a new Geometry Dash level for us, and it's going to be an Extreme Demon. So the first things first, before we make one, we gotta come up with a title. How about Hellgate? That's a pretty good name. And now we need to find a song. What song should I use? How about At the Speed of Light? It's used in pretty much every Extreme Demon. So now we need to make some colors. Let's first go for red, a darker red, some black. So in every Extreme Demon there's a lot of colors. There's usually red, dark red, black, and sometimes gray. So I'm gonna make some gray too. And some more red. Some more of that, and we could use some orange in case we want to make lava or something, and yellow. That looks pretty good actually. So might as well get started, shall we? The first thing I'm going to start with this Extreme Demon is I'm going to change the background. Well, I gotta take one of my colors. Color one, copy. Wait, no, I gotta take this. I gotta make a darker red. Kind of like that one, yeah. Copy, put it to the background, and paste it here. And what background looks good for an Extreme Demon? How about this one? That looks pretty good. No, that's ugly, actually. You know what? That one will do. The background is darker. You can't even see the background. That's good enough. And now we just gotta make the speed low. Now we gotta make our layout. So now we're going to start with you start as a ship. But we gotta do we gotta do our offset. Oh wait, no, we don't need an offset. So we gotta make a layout for the ship. So we're gonna start off with this spike. It's going to be color 1, and then color 2. No, that looks ugly. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry that my Geometry Dash editing is so terrible. I'm gonna make some spikes here. And now we gotta put that there. That might be possible to fly through, but it would be really difficult. But that's the point in Extreme Demons, it's supposed to be really difficult. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to well, we've already created a layout, and we should probably copy that, put it to make it go down, and I'm going to add some like bricks for like decoration, like probably like piles of bricks, And I'm gonna also use these blocks right here. We need to cover the ground in red glow for an Extreme Demon. So I'm gonna just spam some red glow, and it would be perfect. And might as well put some of these chains on the ground too. Some chains. We gotta make them black so they can look good. Wait, that's gray. So yeah, it looks pretty good so far. You can't fly through that though. I mean, you probably could if you were really good at the game, but I could not do that. Next thing up is I'm going to probably put maybe some arrows. So we just go find some arrows. Because arrows are in every level. And we're gonna, of course, make them black. Well, then you can't really see them, so I'm going to make them red. And then I'm going to put them like this. There we go. Now you're able to fly through. We'll tell you where to go. So now that part is done, we're going to work on this part, where I'm going to put some bricks here, because bricks are great for a level, and they're great for Extreme Demons especially. Gotta make them look like that. That's good, that's good, that's good. Now we're gonna make our color, so we're gonna make it look like that. That's pretty good, actually. That's actually a good color. So now I'm going to so to make it look good, I'm actually going to cover the inside of this with black glow. So we just spam some black glow to make it look good. Look at that. So now we can just put it on top by just copy and pasting. And through here, we're going to have a street fly right on this part. Because street flies are the main thing used in Extreme Demons. Oh, we don't have black glow on this one. What the heck? We don't have black glow! We fixed the problem that we had. It was a weird problem with the level. But then I fixed this stupid problem that we had. It's okay now. Because I wasn't selecting the black glow that I put on these parts. And and now we have a pretty good layout. So now select all these blocks. I think it will. No, we need to put it one more. Put one more of this. There we go. And now you have a perfect straight fly at the start. Some more straight flies. Alright. And I also had this little layout right here. And I also realized I'm so forgetful. I forgot to change the color of the ground. Well, that's fine since I changed it. And I also added these pulsing triggers. I'll pulse for the beat of the song, you can sync. Okay, well, now we have that. Now we can work on this part. We're gonna have a 3-speed layout. And then I'll meet you guys when the layout is done. One part of this, I'm actually going to put down some of these. These look pretty good for like an extreme demon, because like they look like what they would use in extreme demons. Like it looks good. Oh, it's so good with that glow, yeah. And you all know that play Geometry Dash, you all know that you would die in those, so that's perfect. Right up here, I put some like black blocks up here, so we can actually match these blocks right here, like the spike blocks. So now I'm going to work on the ball layout. So for our layout, we're going to put a few of these things again. Of course, I messed up the black glow part. And I just messed up the black glow. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I fixed the black glow. The reason this is happening is because I'm actually so bad at making these levels. You guys rate my creations. If you're guessing they're good, then give me a like and give me a like. That's all I would ask for. I'm gonna put a start position there because like, I feel like it'd be useful to use. So what I did here is I put some good like orb layout right here, so you had to park one of the orbs and not fall down. And the other cool thing I'm probably gonna add is I'm probably gonna add some things to go around the orbs too, like some of these. These look good. They're used on like every level, put around orbs. And maybe I should put some of these around too. Yeah, that's how it works. I can barely see a thing, so I'm gonna turn on preview mode. And I'm gonna end it here, guys. This is how you start a Extreme Demon level. So here's the finished part. Wait, no, I'm gonna show you guys the finished part. So here's the finished part. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll make a part 2 if you guys subscribe to me. Then you'll be able to create your own Extreme Demon. And as always,